Alright, this is just to correct and clarify some things from the previous videos about Bali's case. Number one, Carl's version of events is still completely fabricated. Bali was never charged criminally, there was no terrorism charges, blah blah blah. Number two, as Bali and Carl confirmed December 10th, 2013 at Truth Juice Birmingham, this was an injunction case. This was a civil case. It was not criminal. This is further supported by the fact that the case was held in a county court. County courts in England only deal with civil cases. It is impossible for a criminal case to be held in a county court. Furthermore, as confirmed by the court transcripts, Bali's win in that civil case, he got the injunction lifted, had nothing to do with Carl's paperwork or Carl's method. The reason why the injunction was lifted was, quote, because there was no evidence of threatening behavior by Baliman. That is, therefore, an injunction could not be justified. Additionally, the transcripts also show that Carl fabricated the story about there being a common law side of the court and that Bali was found not guilty on the common law side. What the judge was referring to when he referred to the common law side was the paperwork which Bali filed without his parents' permission. Quote, I believe the parents of Ballyman would not have approved if they understood what their son was doing. Finally, when it comes to Bali's father's case, that actually was a criminal case. Bali was ordered by a court to move a van from his property. He did not do that, and when he failed to comply with the court order, it became a criminal case. Now, after Carl left England, he was found guilty at a jury trial and ordered to pay £10,000 fine plus £10,000 for the court costs and £120 statutory surcharge. If I recall correctly, Bali stated that they ended up paying those fines. Alright, so to recap all the ways that Carl has lied about this case. Number one, he's lying when he claims that it was a criminal case. It was a civil case. Number two, he's lying when he says that there was a common law side of the court. Number three, he's lying when he takes credit for that court win because the judge himself explained that the reason why the case was dismissed was because there was no evidence of threatening behavior by Bali. It had nothing to do with Carl's paperwork or his theories. And finally, Bali's father was still found guilty. Despite paying all that money to fly Carl to England to help with his case, he was still found guilty and had to pay almost $30,000 US, or 20,000 pounds British, for not moving a fucking van. So, number one, not only do Carl's theories not work, the man is a compulsive liar.